Full stop. A full stop is used at the end of a sentence. It can also indicate an abbreviation. E.G. is the abbreviation for example. A full stop is always followed by a capital letter at the start of the next sentence. Some examples of a full stop used in a sentence include: I visited my friend yesterday. They are my neighbours. As you can see in both of these examples, the full stop is at the end of the sentence. Anna and Stacy went shopping yesterday. They bought new shoes. In this example, we have two independent sentences with no conjunction, comma, or semicolon. Therefore, a full stop is required. Ali hadn't completed his homework. He thought it was due next week. In this example, try to think about where you would place the full stops and capital letter. So, here we have the full stop to mark the end of the first sentence, and then a capital letter at the start of the next sentence. We also have a full stop at the end of the second sentence.